I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now here search and select Capsule CRM. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API URL, go to Capsule CRM Dashboard. Click Profile Name on the top right corner. Now click Account and Plan. Now, navigate the account setting and copy the site address. Paste it here. To get API key, click on Capsule CRM API token. Click on Generate First API key. Give the meaningful key name as you want. Enable all scope of this token, click Generate Token. Now copy the API key and paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the action. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now go to Capsule CRM Dashboard and click People and Organization. Here's the data that came into Capsule CRM through the integration. Thanks for watching.